In a quiet lab, researchers unveil a lightweight neural bridge that lets nerves translate intention into device actions. A developer pairs the bridge with a smartwatch, letting users navigate apps with simple mental cues. Prototype safety protocols ensure data stays on device, addressing privacy worries that once shadowed wearable minds. Outside, pilots test decoupled AI assistants that learn user rhythms, predicting needs before they are spoken. These advances hint at a future where technology reads human intent, not to replace memory, but to amplify it.